I'm excited for this one because this project got listed on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko on day 2 of its release. That doesn't normally happen. That rarely happens. And when it happens, it's for a good project. The good project that we'll talk about in this video, in my opinion, is Nemesis DAO or NMS. The price is way higher than this. We'll go over that. We'll go over all the holder activity. Our Wells buying or selling is like 20% higher than the CoinMarketCap ticker right here. We'll talk about a lot of things, so make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start though, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. Every single day, I go over all the new tokens and all the hot tokens for the day and give you my opinion on them, whether or not I'll personally be buying into them. So if you want to learn about that, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button and let's talk about Nemesis DAO. Volume $1 million. Now it's day 3. It's probably higher though. The first thing I wanted to show you was the holders. So this is public available information that you can check as well. When you go to the Nemesis DAO pool coin chart, and I'll have a link for that in the description down below, including the site, contract address, everything you need to know will be available in the description. And when you go there, you just enter the contract and click on holder section right here. You'll be forwarded to the Binance Smart Chain contract, where you can analyze the holders' addresses and see whether or not they're buying or selling. And I checked these two main whales right here. The 3A1, here it is, and the second largest whale, pretty much. And from what I can see, all they're doing right now is basically acquiring and not selling. The biggest whale right now has been buying a lot in smaller chunks, pretty much $500-600 worth. So he doesn't scare the market, but he has been acquiring, especially since 2 hours ago. He bought, if each of these transactions is worth $500, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-ish grand. He also bought this much, which might be something which is worth over 7 grand now. So he has been acquiring a lot. Why is this whale acquiring a lot? Well, just check what happened in the last 7 hours, because this is the first time he bought a little bit more. Can we go to page 2? No, we can't. So 7 hours ago was pretty much here. So here he started acquiring something $500. He 2x his money, hasn't sold yet. And what it seems to happen is we now broke the 1 mil market cap. It was 1.3 mil at one point, even higher at 1.7. That's nearly a 2 mil market cap, by the way. And that was on day 2. How does that even happen? That's insane. It's just insane. The price movement that this project has been getting is insane. And if you just analyze a lot of transactions, obviously some people will take profit. If you manage to snag some at $200-300, you're a 5x. If you invested 10 grand, you have 50. You have any right to take some profit, but the main whales aren't taking profit. A lot of big purchases happening as well as I am recording the video. Obviously, some people are taking profit as well, but we are definitely trending upwards. Every low that we've had has been higher. You can see one low, higher, higher, low, higher, higher, and a trend line that's just trending upwards. We've had a lot of profit taking, obviously, as we said, and that happened pretty much a day ago. A lot of the weekends or the people that were profitable enough to get out got out, and now we had a new accumulation zone, which this whale that we've analyzed started buying a lot of. He stopped buying pretty much here, and the price hasn't moved ever since, but it hasn't even gone down. So this seems like a fair price. It's just very weird for the market because the price doubled in 7 hours. Again on this project. So the question is, what will happen from here? So this is basically an OHM fork, extremely successful protocol on liquidity model on the Binance Smart Chain network. It was launched on the 13th of November, so this is day 3 right now. They got a CoinMarketCap and a CoinGecko listing on day 2. That doesn't happen normally, but they did. They managed to do that. And it's because it's truly a revolutionary contract and one of the DeFi's most interesting protocols we have seen lately. Very successful day 1, very successful day 2. Day 3 is looking great as well. What they've done so far, from what I've seen, they've done coin ads. That's really good. It's very important that they do the marketing right. Premium CoinZero ads, they have done that. Monarch ads, they have done that. Price bot ads, they have done that. Twitter and YouTube influencers, they have been doing that. And they're doing different circles of marketing towards that with different tier influencers to build up an audience or to leverage other people's audience in order to spread the information and educate people about this product, this project. And it's looking really good. Definitely is. When we go over the website, and I'll probably do more videos on this project. I actually will, because it looks really interesting. One of the things that I really like is they're not faking it. They're not doing the fake it until you make it approach, buying fake followers. They have 3K very real engagement. You can see on Twitter. They have 800-ish Telegram members. Very real, very authentic. Which is something you don't really see on most projects. When you go on the website, just click on connect. You'll be redirected to their app. And there, after it loads, because there's a lot of information, a lot of people are trying to connect right now. You have the dashboard, stake, NMS, buy bond with the bonus yields. You can also go over the docs, the DAO white paper. What is Nemesis DAO? Nemesis DAO is a decentralized finance reserve currency protocol built on the Binance Smart Chain. The protocol is powered by the NMS token, which is backed by a basket of assets like BUSD, LPs, etc. Nemesis DAO introduces unique economic and game theoretic dynamics into the decentralized finance market through bonding and staking. What is the aim of Nemesis DAO? It aims to become the de facto reserve currency of the Binance Smart Chain, one which is truly owned and maintained by a decentralized protocol which serves the majority. Our goal is for NMS to be a common trading pair which is backed by real assets. How can I benefit from Nemesis DAO? The main benefit for stakers comes from supply growth. The protocol mints new NMS tokens from the treasury, the majority of which are distributed to the stakers. Thus, the gain for stakers will come from their outlook about imbalances, which we'll talk about in the next videos as well. So price exposure remains an important consideration. Yep, with staking, impermanent losses is something you need to look at. This that is, if the increase in token price outpaces the potential drop in price due to inflation, stakers would make a profit. The main benefit for minters comes from the price consistency. That has always been the case. Minters commit capital upfront and are promised a fixed return at a set point in time. This is something you need to look up as well. I'll have a link for everything in the description down below. I'll go over the staking and minting in next videos, probably tomorrow. I'm very likely, because I have some too fake today, to go to dentist again and probably buying a new car. Tomorrow I'm looking at a few stuff. But this product is a priority of mine, so I'll keep you updated as fast as I can. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Like if you agree with me, dislike if you disagree. See you in the next video in the next token. Bye.